I'm gonna ask you a deep question. How bad do you really want it? Like, for real though, like, I want you to ask yourself, like, internally, how bad do you want to achieve your goals? People make a lot of excuses, and I'm about to eliminate all of your excuses in this video. And I'm also gonna provide you with a strategy to make $125 a day. No excuses. I used to do it myself. I'm gonna lay out the whole entire blueprint for you in extreme detail. You don't need any startup capital. You don't need any crazy skills. You don't even have to have credibility to start this up. I will get you from point A to Z as quickly as possible. I originally made this channel and started off by giving these types of strategies to people to help them make money, right? To help them get themselves out of this situation. I went from having credit card debt and pretty much nothing. I was negative in life when it comes to finances, to now coming up on an 8-figure business in less than a couple years. I never accepted a handout. I never had a real long-term mentor. Made my first million basically by myself, and I'm living proof that you could do the same thing. The median individual income for full-time workers in the United States is currently $876 per week. If you divide that number by 365 days, this is where I get the $125 per day as the title of this video. If I could just get 10 people to exit the current monetary system and achieve true financial independence, I know I have done my job the correct way. How do you create a small business that you could do from home, remotely, regardless if there's a pandemic, regardless if there's something going on at the business place? How do you create something that you could do passively while you work a full-time job? I'm gonna be showing you guys just that. But before we go into that, let's go over some of the pitfalls you might run into on your journey. Number one, understand that ideas are useless. Execution is everything. Please do not try to overthink it. The more you try and find an excuse, the higher the chances that it actually won't work. Number two, it's not gonna be easy. If it were easy, then it probably won't work. Personally, I like to move towards things that are actually hard because I know the average person is not going to be able to do it. Number three, it's probably going to take you a little while to build up, meaning it's not going to happen overnight. Patience is everything, and honestly, it's required. Number four, you'll most likely have to get out of your comfort zone. Just no matter what, you're going to get out of your comfort zone. You're going to do things that you hate, and it makes you a better person, and honestly, I don't feel bad for that. That's how you grow. Number five, people will try to stop you from doing it. You have to ignore them and execute, even if you love them. Number six, I will do my best to be as accurate and detailed as possible, but you will have to figure some of this out by yourself. Figure out the problem, solve it, and stop making excuses. All right, if you get past these limiting beliefs, the rewards are actually beautiful. Think about it, right? You'll be able to travel anywhere passively making money. You'll be recession resistant. No matter what happens in the economy, you'll be able to predictably move and make money. Number three, you won't have to ask your boss anymore for a raise if you need more money. You just work harder and smarter and your income will increase. Also, you're gonna inspire your friends and family to become financially independent. That's amazing. Your energy is gonna pass off to higher quality people, and higher quality people are gonna gravitate towards you. And also, you're gonna live a much more fulfilling life. You don't have to die with regret. Either way, you're gonna have to feel pain. Either work really hard and feel pain, or you just feel the pain of oppression and your job, right? And all that stress. So just choose.